video coming to you, and I'm on the high-speed train from Madrid to Palencia. So we should make it in only 2 hours. You know what the best part is? Not only do you get there fast, but they have a dining car. So I ordered a sandwich. Like these people there were sitting in my seating area. They ate one of those, and oh my gosh, it smelled so good. She's about to have mine come out. Oh my gosh, look at this. This train is zipping. Yeah, it's been a really long journey. I started yesterday at 2 o'clock, and yeah, now it's already the next day, and it is I think it's about 2:30 or something. So yeah, but I'll be in Palencia soon. So after this train ride, which lasts 2 hours total, but we've already been on here for a while, I'm gonna still have to rent a car and drive for like 30 more minutes. But yeah, look at, check this out. Yeah, I think this train is going about, I want to say 250 k per hour. But yeah, my sandwich still hasn't come out yet. Show you the sandwich. It never comes out. Look at that. Oh my gosh. It's really flat here. Like on the way out of Madrid, there's mountains, and now we're in flat land. Now where I'm going, the Palencia area, that actually is pretty flat too. But you come for different terrains on the way from Madrid. So I'm going to make another video where I'm going to tell you all the steps you have to go through to reach the train station from Adolfo Suarez Airport. It's pretty crazy what you have to do. But I'm gonna get up here because